Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Samantha Lois Bitacuyan, 24 years old, and I came from Tulunan North, Cotabato, Philippines. And I am applying for the position of a domestic helper. I have work experience as a cook and waitress, where I learned how to prepare and serve food, maintain cleanliness, organize the kitchen, and provide good service to the customers. These experiences also taught me to be responsible, hardworking, patient, and attentive to details. And also, I am willing to do household chores, such as cleaning, laundry, ironing, cooking, and other tasks that may be required. I am also willing to learn and follow instructions. I am honest, respectful, and trustworthy person. And I will do my best to take good care of your home and meet your family's needs. Thank you for considering my application. I hope to have the opportunity to work with your family. Have a nice day.